On first and goal, and Brady with time, end zone, yes! Touchdown New England in less than 2 minutes. It's Welker with the catch. Brady back to the end zone, and did he put it in? Gronkowski says yes, and the official agrees. Touchdown New England. Across the middle, caught. Gronkowski in, touchdown New England. 17 touchdown receptions, 1 on the ground. Brady now goes down the field for the long ball. Branch has it in stride. Deion Branch is in for the touchdown. Played the role of Tebow in the scout team, preparing for this one. Brady's got it. Touchdown and an NFL record in the postseason for the quarterback. Gronkowski for the 3rd time tonight. And Brady has Hernandez. What a move, and he's in for the touchdown. And Tom Brady has just tied the all-time postseason full game record with 6 touchdown passes.
And if they throw something quick and get out of bounds, they're going to have a chance for Lawrence Tynes field goal. Be a 55-yard try from here, and now instead they're going for it all. The pass is caught for the touchdown. Unbelievable. Hakeem Nicks on a last-second heave by Eli Manning. The play that set it up, and then 37 yards to Hakeem Nicks for a remarkable touchdown here in Lambeau.
Smith on 3rd down. He will take it himself for a 1st down and more. Alex Smith is in. Touchdown! Smith on 2nd down. He throws it. It's caught by Vernon Davis. And Davis is inside the 30 and finally wrestled out of bounds. The 49ers are in field goal range with 31 seconds remaining. 47 yards from Smith to Davis. Smith on 3rd and 3. He throws to the end zone.